Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, I'm changing the front radius rod bushings in this Honda here. I had a horrible noise. I mean horrible. Like a grinding and clunking and squeaking and yeah. Sorry about the shaky shakes, guys. But they live right up in that hole there in the front end, and then they come back and normal, you know, they tie down right here, right up in there. So anyway, and there's the rod right there. But I was taking it out there on this side, the driver's side. The sleeve's supposed to look like that, and it fits down in there. Well, that's what I come out with. It is bent all to junk. It's a split sleeve too, and I don't know why they. Yeah, so somebody must have been in here before, because the original Honda is a solid sleeve, and the split sleeve was in it. So somebody's been in here before, and started to waller that bushing out. Now the bushings themselves don't look bad, but that's what I have going on today. So we're gonna put some bushings in there, and we're gonna put the original Honda sleeve in it, because yeah, I went to the wrecking yard and picked 2 of these up, and I picked 2 nuts up, because they don't give you these. They give you these in the kit, but they're split, just like these. Somebody has put the split one in there, and that's what happened. Now, I don't know if that's a fault of the split bushing or if they just installed it wrong. I think on the ladder on that one, I think they installed it wrong. But anyway, we're gonna install it right. We're gonna use solid bushings though, and the nuts. I do have. I could have got these new at the hardware, but I wanted to save a little money. I just went and got the original Honda one. There's nothing wrong with them. And then we got some nuts, and the kit does come with washers, so we'll be using new washers. Not these, but new ones. But anyway, let me get back at it. I already did the other side over there. It's all installed and put on in there, so all right, I'll bring you back. Well, I'll tell you guys, those 2 bolts are, you can barely see them from here, but without taking the axle out, the actual axle, which is not the easiest thing to do, because then you got to split. Anyway, sorry about the truck. Anyway, it's right under the axle, literally. You got like maybe a half of the head, anyways, and it's that thick. Thick at my finger. So that was tricky. That one over there you can get to on the back of this one, and on the other side too you can do that by using that. It's a 14 with a 3/8 wobbly and a 3/8 extension. That combo right there. But we got it, and they're tight. Tight. And the radius rod bushing is in, everything's put together except for the initial setting on here and then an alignment. So let me finish out and we'll bring you back in. Alright guys, it's all done. It's got one over there and one over there. Now we had to drop her down and tension everything up good, and she's done. Now if I could ask somebody to come out please and help me pick up all these tools. I'm joking. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me on janky jank, man. I know why she was squalling and popping now. A lot of popping noises. Well, now I know why. I mean, that had to tighten up hard. I mean, looks like when they put it in there, they didn't have it square. And it tightened up and just, whoa. Don't know. And it started to cut into that. Either way, guys, it's a done deal now. There's people driving around here with studded tires on still. Just because they get away with it. The COVID set everybody like retardedly back, you know. It like back. Everything's retarded now. Alright guys, take it easy. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.